du soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, la-la-la. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, la-la-la.
Hey everyone, this is Tanvi back with another Linux desktop customization video, and today I will show you how to customize your Linux Mint Cinnamon desktop. I hope you like the end results, and let's go ahead and start customizing the desktop. Alright guys, here I am in Linux Mint right now, so let's go ahead and go to my downloads directory, and then here I have the project file. You can find the link of this project file down in the description of this video. You can help out the channel, give me a little donation and get the project file. I will really appreciate that, guys. So let's go ahead and extract the project file, and then right click on an empty space inside the project file, and then open a terminal and then type chmod +x script.sh. Now remember guys, you're gonna have to open the terminal inside the script by right clicking, and now type /script.sh. Press enter, and it's gonna start installing all the packages that we will need to customize the desktop. So while it is downloading all the packages, let's go ahead and click on this download links text file, and then open the browser and then copy paste the themes links and simply download the themes. Alright, so let's go ahead and download the GTK theme first. Download the first one, and I will do the same for the icon pack. Let's download the first one, and let's download the font. And again guys, thank you so much for the support, for getting the membership. I really appreciate this. As I always say, I cannot thank you guys enough. Thank you so much for the support. Alright, once I've downloaded the themes, I can close the browser and then go to my downloads directory and open a new window actually, and then extract all of the downloaded themes zip files or .tar files. Extract them one by one, and then you can delete the zip files. And let's go ahead and install the font. So double click and then click on install. So this is going to install the font, and after that right click, show hidden files, and then go to .themes, and then simply drag and drop the themes folders inside the .themes. And I will do the same for the icons pack as well. Go to .icons, which is inside the home directory, and then drag and drop the icon themes folder inside the .icons. And after I've done all that, press enter in the terminal, and then search for themes. Then click on advanced settings, and then simply apply the themes for applications first. Change the icon pack. Alright, so once I've applied the themes, let's just wait for the terminal to finish its job, and after it is done, let's go ahead and install Nautilus. Sudo apt install Nautilus. Press enter, and this is gonna install the Nautilus file explorer. So we're gonna use that file explorer for this customization. Now for some reason the Nautilus is not showing the effect of the theme, so let's go ahead and go to downloads link and then download Evolve Core. Go to browser, paste the link here, and then download Evolve Core. So I'm going to use this application to change the theme so that it applies the theme properly for the file explorer as well. So go to downloads, click on Evolve Core, extract it, click on the application, and then select the theme that I want to apply. And as you can see that this is the new theme for the File Explorer, Nautilus File Explorer. Okay, so we are done here. So let's go ahead and quickly apply the wallpaper, which you can find inside the project file. And once I've applied the wallpaper, I'm going to search for Conky Manager. Now, if you don't find Conky Manager installed in your system, then go to Downloads and then go to My Project File and right click the script to read the script and scroll down a little bit and then simply copy these 3 lines to install Conky Manager. Simply copy them, go to your terminal and paste it, press enter and press enter again. So this will add the repository first and then it's going to install Conky Manager. So we're going to use Conky Manager to apply the Conky themes. So after that, let's search for Conky Manager and then click on the settings icon and then select it, go to locations, click on add and right click, show it in files, and then scroll up and then go to .config and select Conky and press OK. Refresh and it's going to show all the Conky themes and simply select the 2 Conky themes that I have provided here. So select these 2. Let's deselect and select again so that the weather information shows. Okay, so that it shows the weather information. Okay, so we are done. So let's go ahead and right click on the panel and click on panel edit mode, and I'm going to add another panel to the top and then simply drag and drop this right bottom icons to the top center, and then move the icons to the center. Click on panel settings, make the icons a little bit bigger, maybe 48. Now go to applets and then go to the option. All right, let's make these icons a bit smaller, the top icons. Now right click, go to applets and then go to download and search for menu, download Sina menu and install it. Click on manage, select the menu, click on add, and it's going to add the menu, and then I'm going to simply go to edit mode and drag that menu to the center and remove the old menu. Now let's configure the menu. Let's do some tweaking here, change some values. Go to appearance, use a custom icon and then select a new icon for the menu. Change the size of the icon, and that is pretty much it. And finally, remove the word menu. So go to appearance and then just remove the word. Okay. So this is it, guys. Let's go ahead and apply, add some icons to the dock. All right, so thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you like this customization and thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate this. Thank you so much for getting the membership. If you got the membership, you're gonna have access to all of the old and all of the files that I will upload in the future as well. So yeah, guys, thank you so much.